Welcome to my new video. This is Ochel Mobile Tech, and today I'm actually showing you a battery pack, and this is for my power bank. The battery got swollen, and since I cannot get the direct battery, I decided to use lithium batteries. So you can see the collections I've gotten so far. I already assembled one that is 7 by 7, making it a total of 14 in numbers. So now you can see I've arranged this one. So I'm going to use my super glue to glue them together. You can see I'm applying the super glue now. Let me glue all of them together so that it can enable me to do the connection properly without any mistake or delay. So now you can see I'm applying my super glue now. So let's wait a little bit, let it dry. Then you can still turn over and then apply to the other side. Alright, so you can see I've turned it. So let me see apply to this side so that I can hold it together firmly. Okay, you can see I finished applying my super glue. You can see. So these are my 14 lithium batteries for the power bank. This power bank is a very strong power bank. So since I can't get the direct battery and the battery got swollen, I don't want to trash it. As an engineer, I decided to do this alternative. So you can also apply this to your own, okay, if you are a technician. So now it's time for connection. So now let's go. It's time for our connection. Let's do the connection now. So let me start with the first one. Let me apply my lead. So that we can start connecting it together. So now let me scrape the top of the battery so that the lead can be applied well. So please watch to the end so that you get to understand proper connection. Okay, so I'm applying my lead now. I've applied to the first and now I'm on the second. Since I don't have you can see my wire. So now you can see I'm peeling off for the second battery now. This is the positive line, so you can see I'm done connecting it. You can see all positive to positive and negative to negative. So now I will still use I think let me do the connection first. So now you can see, so I'm peeling the wire so that it can enable me for a good soldering. So I'm applying my lead, you can see. So now let me connect all the positive together to give me a total of 4 volts, but the amps are going to be very great. You can see I've soldered the positive together. Now it's time for the negative line. So now I'm cutting. So let me apply my lead and then channel it to the other side so that they can all work together. You can see I'm done. You can see I'm done with my battery pack. Now it's time. You can see my swollen batteries. Can you see? You can see how swollen they are. So I want to disconnect them from the power bank panel now. You can see how swollen they are. How swollen and how weakened they appear to be. So now I'm disconnecting them from the battery, from the panel. So now I've taken that apart. So now let me connect my new sets of battery. Can you see? Don't forget, don't make the mistake, okay? The positive of the battery goes to the positive of the PCB, and the negative of the battery goes to the negative of the PCB. Anything more than that will damage this PCB, this power bank panel. Anything more than that or less than that will damage the panel. Okay, so be careful. Always make sure you do the appropriate connection. Okay, you can see this is my container. So now I'm mounting it in now. Can you see? So if you can't get the batteries for your power bank, you can use this method and solve your power bank problem if the battery is a. So I want to tip the wires so that it doesn't at any point in time do a partial contact. So thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. Okay, bye bye for now. I love you. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and more. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.